This African swine flu, as we know, it's a disease that affects the pigs, and it's not only in Meghalaya but throughout the northeast, even in Arunachal Pradesh, even in other states in Nagaland, Mizoram also. This African swine flu is affecting the piggery sector. So it is not an isolated case only in Meghalaya, and with regard to Meghalaya also, it has been largely contained because it is only prevalent in about 4 districts and not in all the other districts, only in some pockets of East Khasi Hills and Ribhoi district, and West Khasi Hills and East West Khasi Hills. So and I'm happy to share with you that the disease has been largely controlled, and now we are not getting any huge numbers also. It is in fact subsiding and it's on the wane. So from the department, we have already activated about 162 rapid response teams, as well as these ASF task forces, and there is also a control room from the directorate. They are monitoring the situation every day, and they are also obtaining results from the field. Apart from that, as you know, we have already issued the circular with the detailed protocols, and we have also declared within 1 kilometer is the infected zone, and within 10 kilometer is the surveillance zone. So largely our teams now are on the field, and they are activated, and we see that fresh cases are also very negligible now. It is on the wane. Yeah. Solution. It has been the persistent request from the state government, from the Department of Veterinary, to ask for a vaccine. So because only a vaccine will provide the permanent solution. So even 2 weeks ago, when we were in Mizoram at the regional review meeting convened by the by the Department of Animal Husbandry, Government of India, from our state we had made this request, and also other states have also made this request for a vaccine. So we were informed that there are some trial vaccines in other countries, in Vietnam and in Thailand, and Government of India is also actively examining the efficacy of those vaccines, and they will put on trial some of the vaccines, and they will also develop some vaccines, which we hope will contribute towards dealing with this situation on a permanent basis. So we are all hopeful that the vaccines probably will be rolled out maybe in the near future, because Government of India is also seized of this matter, and they are aware that only with the rolling out of the vaccine will this problem be addressed to a large level. Otherwise, it's like a flu. It's like a flu. Like human beings, they get flu, so the pigs also get flu. But this flu is affecting them, which also results in the mortality. But if a vaccine is there, then it will address almost 99% of the problem. So in the previous years, in fact, when this incident was there, since it's a regular thing, as you have just mentioned, it's not that it's come fresh. We from state government, there has been a compensation package which has been given to the farmers. About 4,000 rupees per farmer has been given, and we are now from directorate. They will now get reports from all the districts, and there'll be a committee that will verify all these incidents at the field level, and then accordingly a compensation will be given. There will be some relief that will be proposed, and that will also be extended to the affected farmers.